Hello riders! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Inside Racing Bike Festival at World Trade Center, Pasay City. Visit the GTO booth. We have here Aeropack, Blowpunk, ST Power, Vinto Tire Philippines, Safeway Tire Philippines, and also Wiz Oils and Additives and Lubrigold. Visit our GTO booth dahil marami kaming inahendang promos, discounts at exciting freebies on every purchase of any GTO products. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na! We're open until 9 p.m. See you here, riders!
Yo, what's up sa inyo mga animal? Bastalay nga pala to at iniimbitahan ko kayo dito sa booth ng GTO Trading Corp dito sa IRBF Festival at magkita-kita tayo dito March 20, 21, 22 dahil sa Lubrigold at Blowpunk naka up to 20% off sale sila dito. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na! Let's go!
Thank you, Aeropack, the best.
Thank you, Blowpunk.
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 Thank you, Blowpunk!
Thank you, Blowpunk!
GTO number 1!